The Toyota Corolla E70, produced from 1979 to 1987, marked a significant evolution in the Corolla lineage, blending practicality with innovation. This generation introduced notable design changes, engineering advancements, and a diverse range of body styles and engine options, solidifying its place in automotive history. In March 1979, Toyota unveiled the fourth-generation Corolla, designated as the E70 series. This iteration departed from the rounded contours of its predecessor, adopting a more angular and squared-off design that resonated with contemporary automotive aesthetics. The new design philosophy emphasized linear contours, contributing to improved aerodynamics and a modern appearance. The E70 was the last Corolla generation to feature rear-wheel drive, a configuration that would be phased out in subsequent models. The E70 series was available in various body styles, including 2- and 4-door sedans, a 2-door hardtop, a 3-door liftback, a 3-door coupe, and both 2- and 4-door vans. This diverse lineup catered to a wide array of consumer preferences and needs, from family sedans to sporty coupes and practical vans. The introduction of the E70 also marked the debut of the Corolla wagon in Japan, replacing the previous van model and expanding the Corolla's versatility in the market. Under the hood, the E70 offered a range of engines to suit different markets and consumer demands. In Japan, the lineup included the 1.3-liter 4KU carbureted engine, the 1.5-liter 3AU single overhead cam SOHC engine, and the 1.6-liter 2TGEU dual overhead cam DOHC engine. The 2TGEU engine, available in the GT and Levin models, was a notable performance-oriented option, delivering enhanced power and responsiveness. Additionally, the 1.8-liter 13TU engine was introduced in August 1979, providing more robust performance for those seeking greater power. The E70 series also marked Toyota's foray into diesel engines in the Corolla lineup. In February 1982, the 1.8-liter 1C diesel engine was introduced, offering improved fuel efficiency and catering to markets with a preference for diesel powertrains. This move underscored Toyota's commitment to meeting diverse consumer needs and adapting to varying fuel preferences across different regions. One of the significant engineering advancements in the E70 was the introduction of a new rear suspension system. The previous semi-oval leaf spring setup was replaced with a more sophisticated 4-link coil spring system featuring a lateral rod. This change improved ride comfort and vehicle stability, enhancing the overall driving experience. The E70 was also the first Corolla generation to offer power steering, a feature that became standard in the U.S. market starting with the 1982 model year, reflecting Toyota's response to evolving consumer expectations for convenience and ease of driving. The E70 underwent several facelifts during its production run. In 1981, the front end was redesigned with 2 rectangular headlights, replacing the previous 4 round headlamp setup. This change gave the Corolla a more contemporary and streamlined appearance. A more extensive facelift occurred in 1982, featuring a sloping nose, wraparound headlights, remodeled taillights, and new bumpers, some of which were rubber molded. These updates kept the Corolla's design fresh and aligned with contemporary styling trends. In terms of safety and comfort, the E70 introduced several features that were becoming standard in the automotive industry. The interior was designed with an emphasis on comfort and functionality, offering improved seating and dashboard layouts. The inclusion of safety features such as seat belts with emergency locking retractors and side window defrosting vents reflected Toyota's commitment to passenger safety and convenience. The E70 series achieved significant milestones during its production. In 1980, the daily production of the Corolla reached an all-time high, averaging 2,346 units. By February 1983, the 1 millionth Corolla was built, and to commemorate this achievement, a limited 1 million edition was released in Japan. These milestones underscored the Corolla's growing popularity and Toyota's manufacturing prowess. In markets like Pakistan, the E70 Corolla gained a reputation for its robust build quality, reliability, and fuel efficiency. The introduction of the 1.3-liter engine variant made it a favorite among local consumers, who appreciated the balance between performance and economy. The Corolla's presence on Pakistani roads became ubiquitous, with many households considering it a staple vehicle, often passed down through generations. The E70 series laid the groundwork for future Corolla generations by